Hello and welcome. This is Marisol, and today I'm sharing my June Project Life pages with you. This is what I have left over from the kit. I killed the kit. I used so much of it. I have one 3x4 card, the word strips, word phrases, a few pieces of chipboard, and the stamp. That's all I have left. I think this is probably one of the kits that I used the most ever. June was great. June was so full of outdoor activities and time with family and friends. It was a busy month and I loved every minute of it, and I was counting down the days until my summer break. So going back and working on these pages made me smile because we had so much fun. For my first page, I used this pad here of tags to do my journaling. I created a text box in Photoshop and then ran this through my Epson PictureMate, and that's how I was able to get the writing on the tag. And then just used a roller date stamp for that. This was a 3x4 card that I trimmed down and made it look like a tag. I probably should punch a hole in it, but I wanted it to coordinate with these two journaling tags here. Pictures of my husband and my son at lacrosse, and that was it. Simple, and I like it. I like the way this page came out. I used repetition as something that I use quite a bit to unify random pictures, and these were definitely random pictures. They're not from the same event. What I did was I used a tag, the same tag that I used on the previous page, used some old number stickers, and coordinated the journaling with the number on the photo. These are letter stickers. I then used the wood veneer that came in the kit on each one of the photos as another element of repetition. And that was it. 1, 2, 3. This is a little insert that I created to document the plants that I have outdoors. My daughter planted most of these. I really like this watercolor card. For this card here, what I did was I used the stamp, the butterfly stamp, used yellow ink, and then used a journaling stamp that I have to stamp out the lines, and then just did some hand journaling. I don't know why. Oh, I know why. Okay, so for this one, I used my handwriting. And I decided to go ahead and use my handwriting here as well. I think it was just because I was getting tired and wanted to just get these pages done. I think I was working on it like one night after work, so I was exhausted. There are those pages. I like adding the white border around my 3x4 photos as another way of separating pictures that are from different occasions. The backside tells the story of my daughter's moving up ceremony. This card is not from the kit. It was from the Learn Story kit. Kept it simple because there were lots of people in the pictures, lots of colors and lots of patterns, and I didn't want to make them black and white, so I just decided to make the embellishments simple. This page documents Father's Day and a 5K run that my husband and boys did. I only used 2 4x6 photos in this spread. Here I used a collage. This was a Instagram or Snapchat filter my daughter did. I screenshotted it and then added it to the collage here. And I was able to get each one of my kids with their dad, and then one big group photo of me, my family, and my sisters with my dad. I have to add the statistics, the running statistics from the 5K. I can't find them, but I thought I'm sure I'll find them at some point, but I didn't want that to delay the creation of this page. I used to get stuck when I wanted something and I couldn't find it, and I would get stuck and I would say, oh, I can't finish it, I gotta move on. I can't move on until I finish it. And that was bogging me down, and I decided that, nope, I can finish it, and that's what I did. I finished the layout, well, semi-finished the layout, and we'll add the statistics when I find them. Still don't know where they are. Anyhow, so I only used these 2 photos. This card here, no, this I think was from a different kit, but I added it to that one. I thought it was pretty cool. A quote card cut in half, and then just some journaling about some of the things that I love about June. Very simple. Again, these pages were pretty simple, but I loved them because I loved the pictures. I loved all of the pictures. For this page, what I decided to do was have more repetition with the hearts, and then I used these background 3x4 cards from my stash. They were actually 4x6 cards, I think, and I trimmed them down. I used regular white cardstock to do the journaling, and then put those on these 3x4 cards, and I thought it came out pretty cool the way that you have the background matching the colors of the hearts, the chipboard hearts, and then the repetition of the same style of journaling. I love this picture here. Alright, what I did here was I just took a 4x6 card, took a photograph that was 4x3 and put it there, and I like the way that these butterflies frame the top of the photo. Here you see I used some of the word phrase stickers there. This insert is about my daughter and her softball season. I used pictures from different days, but I'm telling the same story, or rather I'm telling a story and using pictures from different days. And that's why I'm loving, and I said this last month, that's why I'm loving this new monthly project lifestyle, because it gives me more flexibility to use photographs to tell a story. That might, and then the photographs aren't from the same day. These two labels are really old. They are from a pack that came in 3 from Heidi Swapp. Here's the other one. The other ones are hexagon, and they're so cute. They have gold glitter on them. I decided, I've had them on my desk forever, and decided to just go ahead and use them. I used a letter stamp from Allie to do this, and then the journaling. I thought this card was so perfect, so ready for the next season, because she's looking forward to doing softball again. It ended in June, but she's looking forward to starting up again in the spring. And then the back side of the insert tells the story of the graduation parties that we have been invited to, that we attended over the summer, and I use a lot of the word phrase stickers there. This is a 4x6, but I used 2 3x4 photos on it, and then I have the border to separate the 2 photos. And I added this little persuasive essay my son wrote about his dad, and gave it to him for Father's Day. And that's it. Those are my June pages. This album holds January through June, and my July pages through December will be in my second album. If you guys are interested in a walkthrough of January through June in one video, let me know in the comments below, and I'd be more than happy to do that with you guys. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you for spending some time with me today. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you haven't, please consider subscribing, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.